Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers and sisters, marhaban. Today we will start In Shaa Allah the third lesson. This lesson about the letter of the muqatta'at, hurufe muqatta'at. The strength of these letters is also 29. And basically these letters used in the starting point of the surahs, like that the second surah Alif Lam Mim. And if we memorize these letters and the words, then will be the cause of the blessing by the Allah Almighty Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. And there is the two special signs like that. This sign, all these signs similar, and next one is the dashes. This sign we say the mad sign. We must be roll and be stretched from 1 to 4 seconds, 1 to 4 alif, and this sign is called the stand fatha. Stand fatha we must be stretched and prolonged from 1 to 2 seconds only. Now we try how to read this one. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alif Lam Mim. Alif Lam Mim Sad. Alif Lam Ra. Alif Lam Mim Ra. Kaf Ha Ya Ain Sad. Taha Tasin Mim. Tasin Yasin Sad. Hamim. Hamim Ain Sin Qaf. Qaf Noon. I think that's enough. The third lesson complete, inshallah. In the next lesson we will inshallah start the fourth lesson, and in this lesson we will inshallah learn about the harakat, the movement, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ma'as salama ila al-liqa. Have a nice day.